Hey guys, how to change notification sound on Android Samsung phone. Go to the settings. In settings, find sounds and vibration, and here we see notification sound, and we can change it here for all apps. And what to do if we want to set different notifications for different apps. For this, return to the main settings and find apps. Then find our app, for example, WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp find notifications. And here tap in-app notification settings. We jump to WhatsApp app in notification settings, and here we can change our notification tone. Choose notification tone, then sound picker, and here choose our notification for WhatsApp. Good luck!